manufacturing. This is manufacturing. Manufacturing. This is manufacturing. Manufacturing. Manufacturing.
Hi, I'm Donna from PTM Corporation. I'm a co-owner, a president, and a CEO, and we make magic with metal right here.
Raw goods from an idea into a finished product. Through welding, through bolting, through screwing, however you want to stick it together. From an idea from our customer to assemble or manufacture parts.
So working as a project manager at Blue Water Controls, I find it very satisfying working with the different technologies. We're working with lasers and we're working with vision systems, and we get to work on not only automotive related products but also medical. We're working in the packaging industry. So a lot of different industries, a lot of different new technologies, and it's very exciting.
I started out as just being a helper in the press room. I started out in the trade about 15 years ago, and I worked my way up.
I would first ask a high school counselor to sit down and talk with them as to whether or not it suits my skills and needs in the areas to go in, as far as whether it be manufacturing or what area would fit me better.
I'm a senior at Port Huron High School. I started out learning engineering from actually FRC. I started in middle school, and it's kind of been learn as I go situation. Whatever I can pick up, I've added to my list of skills that I can do.
There are 2-year degrees, certificates in quality, in engineering, in design, in manufacturing as a whole. A lot of programs right now are offering programs in advanced manufacturing techniques that could be an associate's degree, where you're studying quality and safety and general areas of manufacturing. We have a lot of certificate programs available. Certificate programs in welding, certificate programs in areas of robotic technicians. We have skilled trades areas where companies like us will hire people and put them in apprenticeship programs. Those apprenticeship programs could be 2 years or 4 years. And in that, you will learn to do the job while you're getting paid. So there's tremendous opportunities in manufacturing.
I got into manufacturing business because I wanted to have a skilled trade, and I knew that I'd be making more money down the road.
I think it's really beneficial. It's a great start on a career. It'll really set your future bright.
So I went to college. I went to Oakland University, and then I came here because there's a lot of room for growth and advancement, and I'm constantly learning, and I love it.
Mathematics, a strong mathematics background is needed. We're looking at engineering prints, and we're trying to understand electrical prints, and looking at the best ways to incorporate automation.
Manufacturing is just not to work out in the shop. There's plenty of office positions to work in manufacturing.
You have to be open to all possibilities. Don't think that you have to do one specific thing.
Remember, it's all about manufacturing, and we do magic with metal. Come on in today and enjoy Manufacturing Day.
This is manufacturing.